Alright everyone, this is a Steiff pre-war from 1910 to 1943. I had this thing evaluated by a Steiff expert. They asked me not to mention their name, which is perfectly acceptable. I understand. They evaluated, they said this is genuine Steiff. They gave it a fair condition. It is missing hair, it's light hair. It's missing an eye, there's some holes. Here's the face. There's the ear tag. Here's the missing eye. When we found it, it was stored in a enclosed plastic case with some dry packs to keep it dry in there. So that's how it's been stored. The legs, 3 of the legs move easily. You can see they stand up perfectly fine. But this leg, I don't want to force it. This leg does not seem to flex like the others. I'm not going to force it. The other legs move freely. Okay, you can see the bottom here. There's some holes on the bottom here. But this thing still exists, people. It's still here. Oh, you can see the nose. The nose is lighter colored. I believe it should be a brighter red. But there it is. It is what it is. It's here. It exists. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it alive. There you have it. Steiff Lioness pre-war.